Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Timeless Wisdom, where we share with you traditional, cultural and Ayurvedic knowledge about health, food and lifestyle. Today, we will know about a very simple yet one of the most significant recipes of India, which is our very own, the Khichdi. In this video, we'll not only be sharing the recipe, but we'll also know the right way of cooking it so that it retains all of its nutritional value. We'll also share some worthy facts and knowledge about this legacy dish which shows us how important and valuable khichdi has been throughout changing times till today. So stay tuned with us till the end of the video and do not forget to like and subscribe if you like the content. So, Khichdi is an ancient traditional recipe typically made with rice, lentils and ghee. It is an ideal one-pot meal and one of the very few modern-day foods whose reference is found in Vedic scriptures and Ayurvedic texts. Its Sanskrit name is Khichdi and is said to be the favorite food of yogis. Khichdi has a history. Yes, most of us have no idea that a simple dish which we grew up eating has a great history to it. From the Puranas to the medieval period to the recent Mughals and Britishers, these references are so unique, interesting and inspiring that we'll soon make a special video on them. So stay tuned and subscribe to know in detail about our very own heritage foods. So let's quickly look at how to properly prepare a nutritious and wholesome one-pot meal of moong dal khichdi. Ingredients: 1 cup rice, 1 cup split moong dal, 1 tablespoon ghee, vegetables of your choice which are optional, 1 teaspoon of mustard seeds, 1 teaspoon of jeera, 1/4 teaspoon of hing, half a teaspoon of haldi powder, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, half a teaspoon of grated ginger, 7 to 8 fresh curry leaves, half a cup of fresh coriander, 3 pieces of black peppercorns, this is optional, 3 cloves, this is optional too, 1 green chili, slit and de-seeded, again optional, some lemon juice, salt to taste and 2 to 3 glasses of hot water. Firstly, transfer the rice and dal onto a plate and get rid of any impurities. Next, wash the dal and rice together with fresh water 2 to 3 times. Drain off the excess water and leave it aside. Take a good vessel made of stainless steel, iron, copper or brass or a simple clay pot. Add in a tablespoon of ghee and put it on low flame. Once the ghee is hot, add in the black pepper, cloves, mustard seeds, cumin seeds, hing, haldi, ginger, chili, curry leaves and coriander powder in the stated order. Now add in the washed and drained dal and rice, saute it for a minute and then add in the hot water. Add salt according to your taste, give a good stir and semi-cover with the lid. Once the water comes to a boil, lower the flame and let it simmer. Wait for 10 to 15 minutes while giving it a stir in between, and once dal and rice are just about well cooked, add in the chopped coriander leaves and cover it for a minute. Now switch off the flame and keep it covered. After 2 to 3 minutes, your healthy and delicious moong dal khichdi is ready to serve. Before serving, squeeze lemon juice over it and do add some generous desi ghee on top. Serve it with some papad and achar. This perfect combination is a cultural staple in most parts of India and is preferred for dinner as it is light, nourishing and very easy to digest. Note that if you are pitta dominant, skip the mustard seeds, black pepper and chili and add 2 to 3 pieces of cardamom and a piece of mishri. If you are vat or kapha dominant, do add a pinch of dry ginger powder or soon and half a teaspoon of ajwain. Many a times when preparing our meals, we do not follow proper ways of cooking. A simple and quick recipe like this loses much of its nutrient value if not cooked properly. So here are a few main tips you could follow so that your end dish retains most of its wholesomeness and thus will nourish you to the fullest. Number 1. Roasting the rice grains. Roast the washed and drained rice and dal at least for a minute. Roasting rice before adding water for cooking makes it lighter to digest. This process is important because the easier the food is to digest, the better is its nutrient assimilation for our system. Number 2. Keeping hot water ready. While cooking, do not add cold water after roasting the dal rice. This suddenly brings the temperature down and the mixture then has to reheat all over again. This causes major loss of nutrients and when eaten, increases vat dosh or causes gases in the body. So what you do is heat up the required amount of water while you're roasting the dal and rice. Number 3. Always add hing and turmeric directly into the tadka before adding any veggies or grains. Ghee and turmeric release their whole value when cooked in ghee or oil. Number 4. Do not overcook. If you are adding vegetables, do not add them right in the beginning as they would get overcooked till the end. Depending on their cooking time, you can add them accordingly. For example, tomatoes get cooked in no time, so you have to add them towards the end before adding the chopped coriander, whereas veggies like cauliflower, potatoes, carrots, peas and beans take much more time, so you can add them along with the washed rice and dal. Number 5. Use ghee. Ghee is a superfood by itself. It has innumerable health benefits. We would soon make a video series on how great and nourishing ghee actually is. Try using traditionally prepared homemade ghee or the ones in the market with a guarantee of quality and purity. Number 6. Avoid the inevitable pressure cooker. Last but the most important one, avoid using a pressure cooker. The extreme pressure which builds up inside destroys most of the micronutrients within the food. Food is best cooked when it stays in contact with air and sunlight while cooking. Here were some tips to cook in the right way, which we should use for cooking all our meals. Well, coming back to our dish, easy and quick to cook with such humble ingredients, khichdi is a superfood not only for grown-ups but also for babies. When made from homemade khichdi powder, it is the most recommended first food for babies when they begin weaning. For grown-ups, it is a great detox dish, providing good nourishment as well as cleansing the system and helping in healing from within. This simple and authentic recipe is so quick to prepare yet so delicious and nourishing. A well-cooked bowl of piping hot khichdi is loaded with macro as well as micronutrients, namely carbohydrates, proteins, dietary fiber, vitamin C, calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, potassium and so on. As per Ayurveda, it is tridoshic, that is, it balances all the 3 doshas in the body, namely Vata, Pitta and Kapha. This humble dish is sattvic in nature, and because of its purity and nourishing value, it is offered as bhog in temples all over India. In 2017, the government of India had taken huge initiatives in promoting this dish as an Indian superfood. It was also recommended to be named as the national food at World Food India. As mentioned earlier, there is so much about this dish worth knowing that a single video wouldn't be enough. We will soon make a special video to share all those interesting facts and knowledge about our beloved dish, khichdi, which is many times underestimated by the youth today, especially in the fitness and weight loss society. So, I hope you liked this video. Please do try out this recipe and keep cooking with consciousness and love. Thank you for watching, guys. Hope it helps. Do like, subscribe and share for more such content. Press the bell icon so you'll be the first one to get notified whenever we upload a new video. Till then, stay tuned, take care, stay healthy and stay fit.